Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I have another Vidnoz AI tutorial for you, and I'm going to show you how to use Vidnoz AI avatar generator. Now, to easily find this, you can easily visit the Vidnoz website, and from the free AI tools section you can click the AI avatar generator. Or if you have an account, let me go ahead and log in so that I can show you. If you have an account, you can simply go to tools on the left hand side, and here you will find the AI avatar generator. So you can also click try for free, and this will take you to this page here where you can use the free AI generator. Now, how does it work? You can basically choose a male or a female. You can choose whichever, and then you have to fill in your prompt. Here they're giving you an example of what you can type in, so you can use words to describe it. Use comma, you can use commas, whichever you want, or you can simply write it out like a phrase. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply try to generate a male, and I have an easy prompt that I will give it. Basically, a portrait of a military veteran in uniform with strong directional lighting. So let's see what this can do. So, and all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click generate avatar. But be mindful as well that you have just about 200 characters. So you want to be precise on what you want to describe your avatar to be. Now, once you do that, just simply click the generate button, and this will generate 4 versions for you. So let's give it a moment to generate those 4 options. So here you have it, guys. There are 4 options that it generated. Now, once you do that, guys, you can choose if you like any one of these pictures, or if you find like a particular style that you like, you can just simply click to generate 4 more options in this particular style. So here you see the 4 here on each of these pictures. Is basically mean that you can choose to generate 4 more images within this particular style. So let's say I like this one, for example. I will just simply click on the 4 here, and it will regenerate 4 more images, or let's say 4 more avatar within this style. Let's give it a moment. And there you have it now, guys. These are the 4 new images that it has generated. So let's say I like this one, for example, the first one. All I have to do is just click this blue download arrow, and this will immediately download the photo. Now, once it do this, you can simply open and check your photo. Mine is done, so let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. And this is the avatar that it has generated. Really interesting. I must say that it does a very good job in generating this AI avatar for me. And as well, guys, you can always capitalize on this and reuse the platform to do talking AI avatar, and this will be really cool. So that's very nice, guys. Now, guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one. And if you're looking to see more Vidnoz AI tutorial, go ahead and check out this playlist on the screen where you can find more Vidnoz AI tutorial. With that, guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and see you next time for another tutorial just like this one.